The controversial Islamabad High Court indicated on Friday that it will announce its reserved verdict on former Premier Imran Khan's miscellaneous pleas against the appointment of the judge holding the trial for the Cypher case and the state's decision to hold proceedings inside Adiala jail within 2 or 3 days. The reserved judgment has been pending for weeks despite the biased Chief Justice Amar Farooq declaring he would announce the verdict. Chairman Imran Khan's trial in the Cypher case is taking place in secrecy inside the Adiala jail in violation of all international laws and human rights. The former Prime Minister and leader of Pakistan's largest federal Democratic Party has time and again called for an open trial so that the world can see how frivolous all the cases, especially the Cypher one, is. In violation of Pakistan's constitution, the military trial of civilians has commenced. This is despite Pakistan's Attorney General telling the Supreme Court that no civilian arrested after the May 9th false flag was under trial in military courts. The family members of 12 military court detainees in Bannu in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province have been informed that they should arrange for lawyers, and if they fail to do so, the state would appoint lawyers for them. Secretary General of PTI Umar Ayub Khan condemned the open contempt of the Supreme Court by the Attorney General of Pakistan. The current Chief Justice of Pakistan, Qazi Faiz Isa, has previously stated he is against civilian trials in military courts. However, it is yet to be seen whether he will uphold his stance and the law in matters related to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. India's ultra-nationalist government has yet to issue visas to Pakistani journalists to cover the Cricket World Cup, which has already begun. This will be the first World Cup since 1975 in which no Pakistani journalist will be present in the press gallery. Pakistan opened its World Cup campaign against the Netherlands at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, and journalists from Pakistan were not present to cover the game. Only commentator Zainab Abbas and ex-Pakistan captain Ramiz Raja have been issued visas as they are directly employed by the ICC. An attack on a Syrian military academy on Thursday killed more than 100 people, a war monitor said, with state media blaming terrorist organizations for the drone strike in government-held Homs. In one of the bloodiest single attacks on the army since the start of Syria's war in 2011, Thursday's assault came just after the ceremony attended by officers and their families, killing and wounding both military personnel and civilians. Syria began burying its dead on Friday after the drone attack. A woman in a black dress adorned with white flowers was overwhelmed with grief at the loss of her son. "Do not go, my beloved," she cried. "The sleep does not befit you."